Buying IPTV online can change your entertainment game. First, choose a reliable provider like 2TV Store, known as the best IPTV provider. Check their channel offerings and ensure they meet your needs.
Came through flexing 'cause they know I got the sauce.
Look for options that support 4K streaming for the best quality. Next, select a subscription plan that fits your budget. Monthly, quarterly, or yearly are common choices.
Came through flexing 'cause they know I got the sauce.
Avoid free IPTV services. They often come with hidden risks. Lastly, make your purchase securely. Then set up your streaming device using their installation guides. Enjoy endless entertainment with confidence.